Wow! Blue color. Blue is bright and beautiful. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. Wow! It's a dinosaur! This is a cute pink dinosaur. Dinosaurs lived a long time ago. Its long neck and bright colors. Amazing dinosaur! Amazing! It's a deer! Deer are fast and gentle animals. They love living in forests. What a beautiful deer! Wow! Green color! Green is the color of nature. It looks fresh and lovely. Amazing green color. Wow! A red sports car! This car is fast and shiny. It looks amazing. Let's drive the sports car. Writing.
Car, car, zoom away. Car, car, race today. Spin your wheels and beep, beep, beep. Driving fast without a sleep.
Awesome! A dinosaur! Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. Some dinosaurs were very big. Look at this cool dinosaur! Wow! Pink color! Pink is sweet and pretty. Pink looks bright and fun. Beautiful pink color. Cute yellow construction loader. Amazing! We found a construction loader. This loader helps move sand and soil. It is strong and hard-working. Look at this cute yellow loader.
Loader, loader, dig today. Loader, loader, let's all play. Lift your bucket way up high. Touch the clouds up in the sky.
Awesome! It's a kangaroo! Kangaroos can jump very high. They live in Australia. What a cute kangaroo!
Kangaroo, kangaroo, jump and play. Kangaroo, kangaroo, all the day. Hop so high and touch the sky.
Wow! Red color! Red is bold and exciting. It is the color of love and energy. Beautiful red color! Wow! It's a tiger! Tigers are powerful, wild animals. They have beautiful stripes. Look at this awesome tiger! Wild boar! Look, a wild boar! Wild boars are strong animals. They live in forests and grasslands. What an interesting wild boar! Whoa! Yellow color! Yellow is bright like the sun. It looks happy and cheerful. Amazing yellow color! Rhinoceros! Look, a rhinoceros! Rhinos are strong animals. They have a big horn on their nose. Amazing rhino! Long-necked dinosaur! Wow, a long-necked dinosaur! This dinosaur was very big. It used its long neck to eat leaves. Look at this giant dinosaur! Wow, green color. Green is the color of nature. It looks fresh. Great, we found a bear. Bears are big and strong. They love honey and fish. What a cute bear.
Bear, bear, dance and play. Bear, bear, all the day. Clap your paws and turn around, dancing to a happy sound.
White color. White is clean and bright. It looks peaceful and beautiful. Wonderful white color. Wow! We found a cow! The cow is a friendly farm animal. Cows give us milk! Look at this cute cow!
Cow, cow, dance today. Cow, cow, let's all play. Move your tail and stomp your feet. Dancing, dancing to the beat.
Whoa! Yellow color! Yellow is bright like the sun. It looks happy and wow! It's a camel! Camels can live in hot deserts. They store energy in their humps. Amazing camel! Wow! We found so many amazing toys today! Which toy is your favorite? The tiger, dinosaur, camel, or sports car? Let us know and see you next time on Moobu Toy Safari!